Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful way to begin the day, right? Look at you, not chasing everybody off. What a beautiful thing that is. Yeah, learning and growing, learning how to treat everybody with love, kindness, caring, value, and respect. I see you. Good job, my friend. You're learning to integrate with love, kindness, caring, value, and respect. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful way to start the day with friends that just value for you. So, I hope you all have a beautiful day too. And have friends as beautiful as mine. Yeah. Beautiful. Pretty birdies, friends.